Kennedy betia Kennedy was car Kennedy betia. Now we 80 million ska. And Kennedy was car. We see factory kakraka, cold store, fridge be breed, what can see. Kennedy or some president to do betia. Ain't and then you see what court to the lawyer church him. Well, uncle law school, me lawyer, you Emma Yinayati, a year, the echo. The possibility, yen can say, for now, the 80 million is just. The possibility is about 90 million near high, and the possibility is about 60 or 50 million very high. Kennedy appeal in Quadia and a lawyer in the future, no. So, person appeal, I will say of 18 at table, so near the two contain near Catasso, and Sanya Kosha appeal, no. But for now, the Kennedy Baba Abe Day, Abe Preka Krasabia Yenteso, Yateso Crampodo, Ebia, medium minim. Maybe a tiba be a 14 and also times Eddie or inti ready basi or say or not client here Anas in this idea whether to apply for plus times 5 or times the no internet the yen to me can wasem say definite. But the just on the can wasem. The just in the second Agyapong. As we speak now, or the Anas Ayumia Anaska $18 million. I was say offi. Or so church on crata bidiaba. No problem. Anas and lawyers say omo chain. Yate so crano. Yet me so cry be $400 $80 million minus $400. Monya calculation and a Kennedy tia the akado. Inti say yate so cry be a judge no, or beso teso jury no, na say 80 million ebia or teso $330 cry. Inti 80 million minus $330. Yan share the Kennedy bitia and also asem. Now let's enter the courtroom. Na yan share the C0urt and the a courtroom of New Jersey, Kennedy Agyapong any Anas case na a year and the Kennedy. He needs to pay $18 million. 18. Remember, Kennedy did back court and also offered $9.5 million. I didn't Kennedy pen or Anas a double number Kennedy. Now Kennedy saw offered $9.5 million if you know. And Anas I had a double 9.5 million no mano. It Kennedy you know pen or Anas I had 2 amano. And then there was a Kennedy 2 ama Anas. Now, and then Kenya show Mukra Muha Junior. Kennedy Agyapong obetia oska and send your Kennedy fui ba o me man kakra no so bi account say o se ba o me man $800 million only $80 million. Now see this when in some C0urt they be am catch them. You see this particular guy na me catch him say mesiu no your friend Dada Fred. This guy many Kennedy work court no or the misinformations be to abontene. My legal team, no, they have put it together. And Anas the case, no, in court. These are part of the evidence. Anas team, no, the legal team, no, edit. This foolish man, your friend, that afraid, me a call. I will make sure to siko beti okrumano. Ebe kunetu etikano. Ebe hununa obenum edulokuno. I am going to sue him. Now, Kennedy case, no, this fool obemu. He was mentioned. And he is the tool. Any other foolish platforms, sir. Kennedy Agyapong, Eddie misinforming Ghana for. Anas na one fan corner so. Anas the Ujana Manekoye. But I am going to sue. Because time at Kennedy Agyapong, they be call court. I'm a winning case, no. Sa branch of betina TV, so betina social media. You try tape singing a go. Catch we as say, judge no case, no. Judge na India 70 ye. Obeko court akuchim. On the Nebejina bon Tebaka Chenko for say, oh, case no, Kennedy winnie. Into today, I want him to know where Anas the case, no. And remember, on the Kennedy Agyapong na Facebook and Ochantro, no. One can say Kevin Taylor say he is going to meet me in court in Massachusetts. I am taking it to him. Me say this time on Obiya beda. Because you want to say Yanyan sa in Kwasiafo sister, any general make a boys be. Say munya munkwaya sana mu di no New York Street ni so a mu baby mu bedi mu nkoma akọ me de ode nkwasi asem ne ba me so a I will catch you from your hole and make sure the Lord deals with you. Into so become as make sure say on krata do bibia gina na so it mun send a message when Commander the Fred where Anas the case no he was part of the evidence Anas e the kind the case ho time a mimi case ne ba no sa Dada Fred we o se kwasi apanyi we etna TV so otwa atro eto judge no so and most importantly, Ocha atro eto court no so. Not just a referee, no. Because I was waiting. I got my legal team to compile everything. And see, he needs to prepare himself for over $5 million. Yes, I am telling him. Some misinformation or best sending in public about a ruling from a federal court. And it's in the picture to sono. Into more munim ni biya mon kan say me, I am coming to him. a little bit of it right after our case. Because I wanted my team to compile enough. It's that afraid, you know. Anas the enemy, Anas Shadana one for one back or two. By you. Sansa no kafa judge na otina mimi case no so. Misinformation a wo cartoon frame him efa meme ho time anasa case no court. Obeba American court abechirem. And I will make sure say over $10 million we may see you. You need to get ready. You need to get a lawyer. You need to be ready for what is coming because you're boy who we ya boy who into say why ready say obe missing for me abedi the Kennedy chebidin kwasema wait for me because I'm coming with a 10 million suit me catch you. So get ready. Now these are some of the things that happened in court. It will be ready. We are coming to serve you. Me catch you because we are one person who catch you. Oh can correct. Penya when you say go coach out one no say but pass. Tete abu check kwasi asem catch you. Yene kwara yesu so ya be chire no. We no baga ya trata tie kekam kwasi asem Jimmy. What do I say my America judge so me share na me catch me team say they should be quiet. You know my lawyer. Obe chire obi bi America krom hanya wo de. What that afraid? Now my mention the C0urt court and the pictures and the videos. So this is what happened in court. Kennedy Agyapong, you see during the hearing, no, Okojunso 10 times. Obano anumusio Kennedy aye frail, waye mre. Onantia no you say. Ohundi onfe. Denisu brino. Kennedy Agyapong, you see in the court. Insue otusu baba go no ada no Okojunso no aba. Sikeni bele. Junso hini eye esikeni bele. Otigana yenkanasem kwasiasam. And the America court, ye piano question down. Well, to be Ghana court, no did judge at them. Near so so, oh, Mr. Kennedy, oh, honorable. America court, pure water near seven. America court, Kennedy Agyapong, pure water near the man is a no, or to down Sakoko. My catch a Ghana for. Sanko for Namusa so Ghana na, Obano Muda Damono. They are nobody in America, they are nobody in Europe and America. They are nobody. And Akwa Kennedy was suppressing the power chronim, Ghana chronim. And or to down Yaman pure water. My mention of more pictures from court today. We have a video. This is a year the C0urt court and the Kennedy near na case in the course not OTA. My mention Joe Markesia Kesium, send a bear bloggers in Benya Bibi. Kennedy near. Case na course unde ewo eye court. Kennedy Agyapong ne the lawyer ne siri ase amutumu se mu ayedin. $18 million eka eda Kennedy tiri so. $18 million na no kasa eni nyome bi a oye. Otigana ena omo frustrating call for omo the court popo call for the same case in Ghana we wini Ghana judges a time case na man so we wini obedu America osade sa case na ba say me wini case no Ghana and America court said abi the na ekoso Ghana no sebio no mo bonkuro. This is Kennedy, the lawyer sorry kasa emfa boga yemre ye jujum me ma bloggers. The lawyers na kasa no e defend no emfa Kennedy so neto no ye pia na hye showdown I am re showdown at court waye din judge bi ani wa onim no eye clerk bi ani wa onim no bailiff bi ani wa onim no sa court we enya ho na ekoka do you know who I am or do you know me? I say yenka do you know me? Do you know me? Haven't you heard about my name? If you don't take care, you take care. Sadia the Bini America court, a Bini ho. It read my lips, and then Nakotana Kwanchen, where Superior Court of New Jersey, and Young Kwanchen Court. We any in summer course or quarter, may mark gallery Nikakra. Akaboga Nkwan, a lawyer Bakono, you may be offer. Ain't he, and a down. A New Jersey Superior Court, Kennedy Agyapong, and Yemiana Shencheno, Ultimin Kasa, Boga Emre. onim obi a okako hunahuna no akoye do you know me? Don't you know I am Akompreku Kennedy Agyapong? Unim se me free fosu. I am the MPP financier. MPP financier ejuma ba enam da pono so. Ne ntwe na bowe woso kwa wi akokokon. Kennedy 80 million at that table so also per 9.5 billion. Me 9 million dey. The ntwe na bo table so we also akokokon. And the anas akokon ntwa bro. Anas 80 million ntwe we. The ntwe na bowe Kennedy ese ebe akokokon. Obi say judgment today say na heaven be you. Ebeka obi ane ne lawyer. Judgment today no. Heaven say how ebeka obi ane ne lawyer. But that's our lawyer. The fum na ka go out to war. I heaven say how the be no be can judgment today. Ebe say obi ane ne lawyer. O to our lawyers I'm urinating. I'll be back. Fum no afa second door no ewuram. Now na ho to what twen lawyer. Judgment today say how the be ebeka obi ane ne lawyer. Okay. We air court exclusive na me dem mamu no. Kennedy Agyapong eto no. Ai ekoso court wo orkodo 18 million showdown. They train the ball on Kennedy so pa akokokon nim gallery na na ekoso no. After this about atene chire. Sa akonwa no so obi atene makotene chire na say emu aye din. Boga kana no esi so. Read my lips. Boga reading lips no. Say oh so boga kana no esi so I saying. Now say eya jiegu $18 million. Hit. $18 million. Ya de apim Kennedy also tia. Ana se kura bon me bo besia. Ana se kura me ho kire me ti besia also me bo besia pe 500k ma me fanya me nyoma. Anas. Uti lawyers nyina wi a 500k die wan fa ma me dia me no ba ku bewu. Enti boga read my lips. And waka lips in this no wakotena nchen. Why say you say ni bra ba. Me de me yakote beka. Me kote ye. And I made the evidence be chiro because when you say ebi mo ho magimi Kevin Taylor boa otan Kennedy we anya me Kennedy asemo Kennedy ni Anas na Anas we ni $18 million. They see o court no and I made the chiro enye bosremu ka me ma blog is eduane edi Kennedy hun sensem part 1 and 2. Now ekoso Kennedy Agyapong nuana okasa nka onkodi MP no onie ono se court we see the trase e kaba akoko kontwa apetire ne tie si fom Kennedy nuane nie we na not radio so ye Kennedy will contest the 2028 elections onie we see the trase mebra die no wakofa be kakra ya yesi ye nende o me rekoma Anas akudi ase no obema Kevin Taylor 500,000. Enti Kennedy nuane nie we na okopri seat na ya nto ama no omo nka no kre de otieche o de minim ebia omo busua panyi na sankofo no ebia omo wo eye African market ni bi no ai enti Kennedy nuane so nie we si ni trase ye bo 80 million so no we si ni trase say titi wo bi ka titi wo bi kire now ni no still out to say na why emre eduru baby no Kennedy nuane you can see I'm going to pressure back. This year court season. Me so me back court. I'm me lawyer, me a judge in America. I'm going to court. Now let's watch a video. The C0urt time and a judge and a catcher Kennedy say he has the right to take the next action.
Okay, so
we're exclusive. Oh no baby, it's all on this platform. My body in Amwashe. Introduce some time, I'm more understanding that this platform is huge. Mashada. Bloggers ni pekakra ko didi. Mitisi yo mo twa ye ko didi. Da be munya would say. Into court no Kennedy. Mr. Arim Yao Anas. Kennedy lawyers. Anas lawyers. And you could see, Metro, I'll show you the video. And that's what transpired. And this footage, from Anas, they were given the permission to film what happened in court. Court season 1. It may be sure what actually happened. Kennedy the Shebusha no Jina Kona Hona, ye can ask some achren say, as some ya carry ye dear tiao, who be ye. Inti, this is an exclusive video. Hankwana be uno anywhere else on this on any platform. Also, who say Hane the first place who's a video no. I need to ask my team first if I should go ahead and show the video again. Team. No. I've spoken to Omuteki footage, you know. We got our team to go in there. We wrote a permission and then they gave us the permission to film. Inti whatever you are seeing exclusive a year footage. No. We have done that clearance, Mr. S. Now let's go back and watch.
Okay, so the court's decision, if we start at the end, the court is denying a request for mistrial, and everyone can file motions at the appropriate time, and the court will address everything after the motions are filed appropriately and then responded appropriately. Does anyone have any questions about anything? No, Your Honor. Thank you so much. Good luck to everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thanks for everything.
So there's one thing you need to take notice of. Anas was still wearing nose mask in court. But over Ghana, judge to meet Naka says Anas saying nose mask na yendi asem. You see the difference. You see how our judiciary in Ghana. How bad some of our judges are. The judge sitting in that courtroom in New Jersey is looking at the facts and evidence before him. How you dress to court is up to you. It is your presentation in court. How the jury will see you. Whether you wear a nose mask or not, at the end of the day, it is your case, the substantive case, your evidence is what they are looking at. Because they are dealing with the law. They are not looking at individuals. And the law itself is blind. It does not look at faces, background, economically where you are coming from, or financial, or whatever. It's looking at the case, the law. They are applying it. So whether somebody is dread, whether somebody is wearing a nose mask, whether somebody is wearing a face shield, what is more important to the jury and the judge is that look at the evidence before you. Look at it and apply the law and let's see. But don't say, Senya Omubu Asemgu Anas so Ghana was that. It wasn't the substantive issue Anas had brought to court. Anas trying to defend himself. In Ghana, the Edibueti Anas say, yes, nose mask be, Anas face mask be. Say Anas say, yeah. That means Anas is guilty. This is where we are as a nation. Judge to me say, because of face mask, nose mask, because I want you to look in a certain way in my court. You know? If you don't look that way, I am going to call you a criminal. I am going to label you a criminal. That is the danger in our judiciary. And that is what we need to look at. Are we looking at a substantive case that is before us as judges, as judiciary, or we are looking at the characters or the individuals standing before us? And when you go to Ghana, the judiciary today look at the people involved in the case than the case itself. And that is the beginning of our end. And that is what is running this country down. Our biggest problem in Ghana today is that when judges sit in courtrooms, they are looking at the individuals involved, not the substantive case before them. It is all come back now, check it. Case I say Anas, Lucy against Kwesi Nyantakyi against Kennedy Agyapong. You will see, say, it is not about the evidence that was provided or was given in court. The judge now, or the court case now, Odi Asemno, he's looking more at how to unmask Anas. And this is how they have destroyed Ghana and now instructed to testify without mask. The evidence that has been provided, what do you need mask for? This is Ghana court. And this is how they use the law to destroy lives in Ghana. And see, for a very long time, we made the judiciary look like, say, Nyankopon, we cannot question the judiciary. We cannot question their conduct. We cannot even question their biasness. And that is what some young judges who were actually growing up, that is the thing that was in their head. At a point, they felt to say, when I sit on a case, a journalist or an individual does not have the right to even question the way I conduct my court proceedings. At a point, judges were called by the General Legal Counsel about their conduct in court. And when journalists like us sit on TV and on radio to question the conduct of judges, the judges are able to say, hey, but the warrant at also. That is how low our judiciary has become. And we start to question the credibility of some of our judges in Ghana. It is not personal. It is because of their conduct. It is because of what they do. It is because of the way they conduct themselves and how they treat people before them. I can take you back to Opuni's case. Justice Jackson Hunyuga sat in court. Somebody purged himself. The judge said, let us go and come back. I will punish the person who has purged himself under oath. That is our legal system today. We live in a country where a whole Supreme Court had to go to UK to bring some black book to judge our elections. That is how low our judiciary has come. And it is not me. It is not about a judge sitting somewhere thinking that a young man like myself criticizing their actions and the way they conduct themselves in court. It is not about me. It is about we making sure the system works, making sure the people we have given, and yet that to me say among India some court, those people are doing what is right. Because if you don't have the right to criticize you as a judge, then it means we are giving you the free room, the free will to do damage. And that is what some judges want. They want to be democratically autocratic in Ghana. Listen, some judges in Ghana want to be democratically autocratic. They hide under the umbrella of judiciary to intimidate journalists, to intimidate open-minded criticism, and to intimidate the system. That is the pain that some people think that they can force on us in Ghana.